Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix app continuity not working when unfolding your Motorola Razr Fold. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to check the fold and unfold cycle. So we want to make sure that the continue unfold and continue on unfold are basically enabled. So first we want to go to the settings, and in the settings we want to go to foldable display. Now here we have a lot of options, but we're interested in app continuity. This is where we want to be. And now you can select always continue. This will basically fix your app continuity not working. If you swipe up to continue, as you guys can see, you can unfold the phone. Once you unfold it, it will be okay, but once you fold it back, as you guys can see, you'll have to enter the PIN code. Now of course, let me just set it up to swipe up to continue, and here we have to swipe up. Now if we select always continue, you can see that we unfold the phone. Now we fold it back and we got the app continuity, and this is basically what we wanted to achieve. So make sure that your settings look like this. Now what are we going to do is we're going to go over and restart the phone if it's still not working for you. So you need to press the power button and volume up button at the same time, tap on restart, and now the phone is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now after the reboot, if it's still not working, what you guys want to do as a last resort is update your software. So make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi after the restart. Here what are we going to do is we're going to go to the settings, and once you're in the settings we want to scroll down until we see the system updates. Now we're going to click on system updates, and as you guys can see, I'm still waiting on my Wi-Fi to pop up. So let me just quickly enter the password, and let's check for updates. So once you check for updates, you want to make sure that everything looks good and that you're on the latest software version. You want to make sure that you're on the latest one, because old versions tend to have a lot more glitches in them, and you definitely don't want that to happen. So that's why you want to make sure that you're on the latest one. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.